Senator Jinggoy Estrada and former PDEA agent Jonathan Morales had a heated exchange in today's Senate hearing on the supposed PDEA leaks documents that linked certain personalities to illegal drugs. Listen to this part of that exchange.
Your Honor, ay parang hindi naman po maganda yung sinasabi ni ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada patungkol sa akin. Para namang ako talagang hinuhusgahan, ako'y may kaso pa lang at hindi pa napapatunayan sa hukuman. Hindi kagaya po ang ating butihing senador nakonvict na po. Ay, wag naman po.
Alam mo, Mr. Morales, alam mo, Mr. Morales,
Senator Jinggoy, please.
Huwag mong pakikalaman yung kaso ko. Problema ko yun. Yung kaso mo ang ayusin mo.
Let's get more details on what happened at today's hearing from Camille Samonte. Camille, just how tense did that hearing get?
That's right, Sean. Tensions got high in today's hearing in continuation of the Senate Committee in Public Order and Dangerous Drugs probe into the supposed PDEA leaks. The still unverified leaks supposedly links President Marcos and other personalities to illegal drug use. Senator Jinggoy Estrada got riled up at former PDEA agent Jonathan Morales when Morales brought up the senator's past plunder charges. This happened after Estrada questioned the credibility of the former PDEA agent.
Paano ka namin ngayon paniniwalaan sa mga sinasabi mo? Hindi nakapagtataka, gawa-gawa mo din ang mga alleged leak documents. Ano po masasabi ni Mr. Morales?
Your Honor, hindi ko po makita yung relevance ng sinasabi niyong desisyon ng Civil Service Commission. Ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito, Your Honor, ay yung investigasyon po na ginawa ko noong 2012.
Bakit ka lumilihis sa mga katanungan ko? Huwag kang lumihis!
No, Your Honor, hindi po ako lumilihis.
Tinanong kita last hearing, where are these documents? Sinasabi mo wala. Tinanong pa kita kung sino yung confidential informant mo. Sinasabi mong hindi mo kilala. Anong klase kang resource person? Wala kang mga ebidensya. Oh.
Your Honor.
Ikaw ba paniniwalaan ka namin dito?
Senator Bato de la Rosa also reprimanded Morales for what he said to Senator Estrada. But de la Rosa still believes that the document released by Morales is legitimate. In the hearing, Morales presented a CCTV footage of their home from May 1, 2024. Here, Morales is seen with his friend and also former PDEA agent Romeo Enriquez. Enriquez can be seen in a video call with a certain Eric Picor Santiago from the National Police Commission or NAPOLCOM. They were supposedly talking about an individual asking them to drop the PDEA leaks issue by not attending the Senate hearing. The two individuals shown in the CCTV footage also faced the Senate today. But Santiago says what he said in that video call were all made up as he had other motives in attending the Senate hearing.
May hawak po akong dokumento na gusto ko lang ipakita talaga. Ito po yung rason kung ba't pinasakay ko sila sa usapan. Para makapunta lang po ako rito at may presenta mga dokumento sana na magbibigay linaw sa mga sinasabi ni Agent Morales. Humingi po ako ng tawad nga po kay paring Romy at saka kay...
Katang isip na...
Kasi actually sir, hindi naman para, pwede naman para sa lahat yun eh.
The Senate committee has asked Santiago to submit the documents he brought for them to be reviewed. Meanwhile, the drug test that President Bongbong Marcos took back in 2021 was also brought up in today's hearing. St. Luke's Medical Center Global City in Taguig confirmed that PBBM tested negative for cocaine, but Morales questioned the speed by which the results were released. St. Luke's explained drug testing kits only need just a little less than 3 minutes to show results. Sean, to that, Senator De La Rosa asked why the president was not tested for shabu and marijuana, but according to the hospital, PBBM only requested for a cocaine test. Back to you, Sean.
Thanks so much for that update, Camille Samonte.